The Gold Service Contract is really important for the launch of the VNR electric because while the technology is not new to us, it is new to some of our customers. And we want to give them peace of mind because with new technology come certain uncertainties. We want to help put their minds at ease. So we feel that it's so important, we've made it standard on the VNR electric. So we want the customer experience with the VNR electric to be as seamless as possible. So while our customers' operations are largely designed around operating diesel trucks for many years, whether it's delivery or servicing and running preventative maintenance on their trucks, we want it to be as seamless as possible. So we've designed the Gold Service Contract to help customers with that transition and take the burden of the change off of them. Our Uptime Services bundle has been customized with the addition of remote battery monitoring, so we can help customers optimize the performance of their VNR electric trucks.